Over the next few minutes, you will be guided through setting up the Peplink Balance in drop-in mode. First of all, the beauty of drop-in mode is that no configuration changes are needed on existing routers and firewalls. Let's go ahead and set up the balance. You should set up the initial configuration of the balance separately before plugging it into the production network. Turn the power on and connect a computer to one of its LAN ports. You may need to configure your computer to obtain an IP address automatically. Then, use your browser to connect to the web admin interface. The default IP for the balance is 192.168.1.1, and the default username is the word admin, A-D-M-I-N. The password is also admin, all spelled in lowercase. In the web admin interface, go to Network and select the LAN on the left. Referring to the network diagram shown earlier, enter 210.10.10.3 for the IP address, and then check this box to enable drop-in mode. A note will pop up to warn you that enabling this feature will overwrite some settings for the WAN 1 port. Click OK to continue. Enter 210.10.10.1 for the default gateway, and then click Save to save these settings. Now, let's configure the settings for WAN 1. Select WAN on the left and then click on WAN 1. You should change the value for upstream and downstream bandwidth to match with your connection's actual upload and download speeds. Under pre-configured drop-in static IP settings, enter your DNS server's IP addresses in the DNS servers field. Also, remember to enable health check settings to monitor your connection's status. Again, click Save to save the settings. Don't forget to apply changes. You are now ready to connect the balance to your production network. Note that it may be necessary to reboot the router and firewall to update their ARP tables, since they may not perform this immediately and automatically. You should also verify that the network is routing traffic correctly before installing additional connections. Once verified, you can go ahead and begin adding and configuring WAN 2 and WAN 3. Remember to save and apply the changes when you are done. Now, you should be all set to install and configure your balance in drop-in mode. Still have any questions? Visit our knowledge base at this link or contact us.